Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to replace a springy doorstop? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to replace a springy doorstop. We've all been there. We open the door and then bam, hits the wall, puts a dent in the wall, kind of like that. We're going to fix that dent in another video. But today, we're going to fix these door stops so we stop making the dents. If you haven't already, go to the bottom right hand corner, please, and hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate the subscribes, and that way you'll get to see more of these back to the basics home improvement videos. So, to begin with, we've got two different types of door stops here. We've got this one, which is an old springy, and then this one. They're both broken, and they're both need to be replaced. For this one, if you can zoom in, you'll see you'd actually put a wrench on it right here, and you take that out, and that'll be how you replace that. But today, we're going to go with the old springy replacement. So for this one, you say, how do I get to that? Where's the screw? Basically, you just want to turn it both ways till you figure out where the coil is. And when you screw it out enough, it comes out. Then you want to go ahead and just unscrew. There should be one screw in the middle. Really easy Phillips head. You're going to take out the new one. When you unscrew that coil, you should have a screw in there. You can use the exact same existing hole. And really easily, you're going to go ahead and just screw that in. No need for power tools or anything else. You get it in there nice and tight. You're going to take that coil again, screw it in, and we're good as new. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. Be sure to hit that subscribe button again to check out more of these back to basics home improvement videos. And also, we're going to fix this dent in the next video. So appreciate you tuning in. Remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.